All right, you know, sometimes quick is good. Especially when it gets that many views. Today, we're following that same path with the most delicious and easy to make microwave protein brownie you'll ever have. This one is made with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have on hand and comes in at under 200 calories for the entire recipe. So let's jump right into it. Start this one by adding it to a small mixing bowl, half a container, which is 75 grams of your choice flavor Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of a sweetener, I've been using erythritol lately, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 scoop of a chocolate protein powder, and 1 ounce of water. Mix all of those ingredients together until your mix is smooth. Since we're not using an egg or anything that needs to be cooked, technically, if you can't wait, you could eat it as is. Edible brownie batter without the salmonella. You don't cave to eating it, you'll want to take out a microwave or oven-safe dish and coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. Add your mix into your dish and throw it into the microwave for 40 to 45 seconds. Keep in mind that the most important part of this recipe is to not over microwave it, or it'll end up dry without the gooey brownie texture. After 40 to 45 seconds, I like to give it a quick mix and microwave it again for an additional 20 to 30 seconds. Microwave time will be dependent on how powerful your microwave is, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Say how powerful it is to be a microwave. For those of you who don't have or hate using the microwave, you can easily bake this in the oven on 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. To check if it's done and still gooey, you can stick your fork in it like this. While our protein brownie is getting ready, it's time for the tip of the day. Did you know that you can quickly calculate the total calories, energy in most items? 1 gram of protein is 4 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrates is 4 calories, 1 gram of fat is 9 calories, and 1 gram of alcohol is 7 calories. Although this isn't always 100% accurate, it's the easiest and a great reference point to building rapport with brands you may be unfamiliar with. If the total calories end up being off a ton, you might want to reconsider what you're actually eating. Now, let's check out the calories for this recipe. Two tips for this one. Number 1, mix and match your flavors for endless variations. Red velvet Greek yogurt with chocolate protein powder, vanilla Greek yogurt with a salted chocolate caramel protein powder, banana Greek yogurt with chocolate peanut butter protein powder, and so on. And number 2, using a protein powder that's mostly just protein without the fillers will net you the best result. With that said, here are 5 winners from last week's recipe video for our 300,000 subscriber giveaway. And here are 3 random shaker bottle winners. Why is it so hard to say? From following me on TikTok, which I'm still doing, by the way. So if you aren't yet following me at The Protein Chef on there, now is the time. If you have any questions, I'm always hanging around in the comments below. If you don't have any questions, how about answering this question? Cookies, ice cream, or brownies for the rest of your life? Go. Thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for some more quick dessert recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're this close to a 400,000 subscriber giveaway. Don't forget to check out the website, theproteinchef.co, where you can scale your recipes, find gram conversions, filter by calories, print them, and much more. Tell the people that you love them often. And of course, stay healthy.